Alma, the Airwaves, lucky of the orange couch. It is Friday, 29th of January. Okay, today you'll see a beautiful video and I'm gonna show you my progress on all fronts. Okay, the beach is getting somewhere. So these are gonna be actually lucky steps. So that's one. My dreamer is getting some color. Okay. And now, my Gioconda. Okay, I decided to put her real name, the lady. And so, La Gioconda is the Italian title. Okay, it's all good. It started to look a little bit like the Italian flag, but no. Just the brown here a little bit seems like she's sitting in a pool of, you know what. Yeah, this will change, but it's just the beginning of coloring. Yep, that's my progress. Enjoy your weekend. The weekend is here. Lately, my favorite show on Netflix is Superstore. Have you heard of it? Okay, producer America Ferrera. And it's a beautiful, funny new show I discovered. It's actually 4 or 5 seasons. It started in 2015, but hilarious. So that's my recommendation. Have a beautiful day, and we'll see you tomorrow. And tomorrow is Saturday. Nothing makes me Piggy happier than baking. No doubt. It is lucky. And pizza, which is my homemade pizza. It only has cheese, onions, and olives. Hungry? On the menu, roast beef, jalapeno, and ready. The easiest thing on earth. Only Montreal spice, steak spice.